Welcome to Career Compass. This is a tool to help master, PhD students, postdocs in life science to figure out in a concrete way how to move from academia into biotech and pharma careers, but also to explore adjacent roles like venture capital or life science consulting, for example. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the use of the three main tools and how to navigate the app so you know exactly what to do. So this is your dashboard. You'll see your industry readiness score, which fills in as you use the tools, the three tools card, the career navigator, the profile brief, and the activity translator. You also find CC. You can find it here, but it will always be here in the corner for you. You can ask anything to her. It's your AI career advisor, and you can ask her to help navigate the tools or specific information about the app. But also you can ask her about the sector, the career trajectory that you want to make. She will remember and retain the information that you tell her, and she will also get information from the document that you will upload during your use of the app. Let's start with the Career Navigator, and of course you got all the icons here, so you can access from here or directly from the card. You can upload your CV or any other document that you may have, like a cover letter or project document. Currently uploading all the information. You can also manually fill the gaps, make sure that all the information that the tool pulled from your CV are correct. And let's move to the next page. So this is the skills audit, and of course you can add more information like timelines, budgets, mentoring people, methods that you optimize, for example, collaborations. And this is where you think about the transition that you want to make. So what matters most to you, for example, commercial exposure, a good salary, staying close to innovative science, considering. So I'll keep it as I don't know yet because I want to explore what he's suggesting, but you can of course also select specific roles from here. And seniority will be entry level for me, and I still want to stay potentially moving to commercial BD, but for now I'll leave it blank because again I wanted to suggest opportunities to me. I can add that I'm in the UK. Well, I don't mind work arrangement, visa situation. I got settled status, so I will put it there. And this is a quick recap of my preferences. And let's go to get my role matches. The Career Navigator can take up to a couple of minutes because it's going through lots of data, lots of information. You've got this banner that keeps track of how much time has passed. So it's suggesting a few roles. It will be 2-3 roles based on your preferences, and will suggest realistic next steps. Each will be tagged as a step, a stretch, or a pivot, depending on how big a jump it is from where you are now. And each suggestion counts the skills you already have, the gaps you need to close, and most importantly, a plan to get there. So I've tried to make this honest rather than just encouraging. You also see the reality check tells you what is generally hard about each transition. You can run this as many times as you like and try different framing of your background or compare a few sectors side by side. You can save this run into your account, and if you go here and visit your account page, and while you are here in the account page, you can also see that it's got information about your membership, federal credit system, your data rights. You can reach out to me, and there is the option also to delete the account. I will move to the next tool, which is a profile brief. And if you already work with me, you're quite familiar with this type of document. As a recruiter, I really like it because it helps you frame your expertise and background in a very powerful way and position your background for industry, for the specific target company, target roles and seniority. It uses documents that you already uploaded, so you can use your CV, you can add other, you can delete this if it was maybe for a different role or different career trajectories. You can play with it as much as you want. Who is this brief for? So I have already target role. So this time I want to go into business development. I will go for maybe early clinical. And of course, if you're not sure about the differences, just go and ask CC. And those are the information that were pre-filled from my CV. So have a look. Availability, well, I'm available now. And visa situation, again, I'm in the UK, I got settled status, so let's go. This is my profile brief. You got a brief overview on my expertise in relation to the role. Target company stage. You can use all this information to help you build industry CV, for example. You can use it as a document that you use at networking events, or you can use it also to prepare for industry interview, because it gives you the right angle to bridge your academic experience for that specific role and for that specific industry. So it doesn't include all your background. That's what the CV is for. This is a one-page document that gives the recruiter or the hiring manager a very impactful but also quick glance of what you can do, how your background is aligned with that specific role. And of course, you can download it and you can save it. And let's save this one. You can rerun it, change the information. And then let's move to the Activity Translator. So Activity Translator is the simplest of these tools. It's very quick to use, very easy to use, but it was the tool that really sparked the idea of having or building this app, because it's something that the people that I coach often express as a need, translating what they've done in academia specifically into industry language. They really don't know how to phrase it, how to position their background. So I created this translator, and you can again select a target role, or maybe you don't know yet. And it could be, again, let's stick to business development. Company stage, well, I think we said early clinical, but of course you can change it here. A actual role in this activity, so of course you need to be honest and recognize exactly what was your role in that activity. So let's say that you contributed to it. I'm going to say that I managed the ongoing collaboration with external research group. Different university. You can be more specific. Let's say you did it during your PhD, allowing progression of the communal project. And this is how he translated. So, contributed to the coordination of a 3-year external research collaboration with an academic institution, ensuring consistent communication and facilitating the exchange of scientific deliverables to advance and share research programs. So you can see how he's translating what you put into a more project management kind of language, because this is what really works in industry, what they would look for. It tells you how you reach this, rephrasing, and why it's relevant for your target role. The industry concept is maps to. You can save it and download it if you want. Now that we run all the 3 tools, let's go and check our industry readiness. 40%, which is great because we use all the tools, but of course it's not enough to get to 100% because we still need to do some work here. It's giving you a guide of what you need to do. So of course, using LinkedIn for networking, or optimizing your CV, or understanding, for example, long-term strategic activities for the target role, and so on. Let's say you're already done all of that, and of course if you don't know how to do that, you can reach out to me, because I do career coaching, so this is one type of activity that we can do together. Once you got all the ticks, you will get to 100% score, and you will have a clear map of the type of roles that you can access, how to position your background, and a map to get there. And if you need data support, of course, reach out. You can also use Cici and ask her as many questions as you want. Have a try and play around. Let me know if you got any question. Bye.